ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। स्वयं ज्योतिर्ब्राह्मण याज्ञवल्क्य जी is explaining Janak Maharaj that the Swayam Jyoti is Sanghata Vyatirikta, number one. Number two, it is Antastha, it is within. Purvapakshi is saying why it has to be different from Sanghata. So Lokayata Mata, first one, is saying it is Deha Eva. Deha alone is this Jyoti. Siddhanta is doing Khandanam of that. Page number 995, Tika, second paragraph. स्वप्ने दृष्टस्यैव दर्शनात् इति हेतुं व्याख्याय स्मृतौ दृष्टस्यैव दर्शनात् इति हेतुं व्याचष्टे। Siddhanti is explaining that Jyoti means that which has prakashana samarthya of the Vishaya, Bahya Vishaya for a Jiva, that Jyoti is different. How? First he says, a blind person also can have a dream. And either in this Janma or Janmantara Anubhava Vashat, whatever he has seen earlier, and those samskaras project. Swapne drashtasyeva darshana. In Swapna, he will see only those things what he has already seen, means experienced in Jagrat, in this life or earlier lives. Iti hetum vyakhyaya smrutau drashtasyeva darshana. In Smriti also same rule applies, same niyama. Drishtasyeva darshana. Whatever I have seen before, that alone I will have smriti. Means I am not dreaming, but I am projecting. Person is not there in front or the event is not happening in front, but I am imagining. हेतुं व्याचष्टे तथा स्मृतौ द्रष्टृस्मर्त्रोरेकत्वे सति य एव द्रष्टा स एव स्मर्ता. Smritau, in Smriti, Drashtu Smartro Rekatve. Drashta and Smarta, they are one. In Smriti, the person who has experienced and who is doing Smaranam, they are one. So, Ya eva Drashta, Sa eva Smarta. Drashtu Smartro Rekatve api kuto dehati rikto drashta. Somebody says, your Pratipadan is to show that Deha is different from, the Drashta is different from Deha. So that, where are you talking about that? Drashta Smarta in Smriti can be one, that is different. Drashtu Smarto ho ekatve, even if they are one. Kuto dehatirikto drashta. Deha atirikta drashta, Siddhanti wants to say Sanghata Vyatirikta drashta. So this Dehatmavadi Charvak says, Deha atirikta drashta kutaha iti ashankyaha yadacha evam tada. निमीलिताक्षोपि स्मरन् दृष्टपूर्वं यद्रूपं तद् दृष्टवदेव पश्यति इति. पश्यति मीन्स स्मरति. 8 नंबर. यदा च एवं तदा, since drashta and smarta are one, therefore nimilita akshopi, closed, with closed eyes he sees. With closed eyes he can recollect the whole thing. Smaran drishtapurvam yad rupam tad drishtavadeva, as if again he is going through the whole experience. So if it is sattvic vastu and we relive it, it is good. If it is tamasic and we relive it, na vimunchati durmedha. Dhriti sa partha tamasi. That dhriti is tamasi dhriti. Because that person is durmedha then. He doesn't know how to drop these things. This is the bheda between sattvic dhriti and tamasic dhriti. Dhriti is there in both. What to hold on and what to let go, that viveka also we should have. देहातिरिक्तस्य स्मर्तृत्वे अपि कुतो द्रष्टृत्वम् इति आशंका. देहातिरिक्त स्मर्ता. Okay, let it be there. कुतो द्रष्टृत्वम् इति आशंका. तस्माद् यन्निमीलितं तन्न द्रष्टृ. यन्निमीलिते चक्षुषी स्मरद् रूपं पश्यति तदेव अनिमीलितेपि चक्षुषी द्रष्ट्रासि इति अवगम्यते. Deha atirikta smarta. So the one who is recollecting is different from body. Dehatiriktasya smartatva. Because if it is in deha, you need eyes to be open. But even if eyes are closed, I can recollect. Therefore, it is different from deha. How it is drashta also? Kuto drashtutvam iti ashankyaha. Tasmad yan nimilitam tanna drashtri. The one who keeps his eyes closed. Yan nimilitam. Tanna drashtra. Because the one whose eyes are closed is not drashta. It's very clear. Yan nimilite chakshushi smarad rupam pashyati. Even when eyes are closed, the one who is able to recollect what he had experienced earlier, smarad rupam pashyati, tadeva animilitepi chakshushi drashtru asit. That same drashta was there even when the eyes were not closed. The one who is able to see now when eyes are closed was the one who was seeing before when the eyes were open also. So Purva Pakshi thinks when eyes are open, Deha is seeing. Siddhanti says even when eyes were open, Deha was not the drashta. Some other drashta was there who can see or recollect even when eyes are closed. Drashtra asi iti avagamyate. Tika. द्रष्टृ स्मर्त्रोर एकत्वस्य उक्तत्वात् देहातिरिक्तः स्मर्ता चेत् द्रष्टापि तथा सिद्ध्यति इति भावः. द्रष्टृ स्मर्त्रोर एकत्वस्य उक्तत्वात्. द्रष्टा and स्मर्ता, they are one. It is already said. उक्तत्वात् देहातिरिक्तः स्मर्ता चेत्. देह अतिरिक्त, if there is a स्मर्ता, drashtapi tatha siddhyati. Then drashta also will be dehatirikta. If smarta is dehatirikta, drashta also will be dehatirikta. Because drashta and smarta are one. Dehasya adrashtutve hetvantrama. Deha is not drashta. In that, another hetu is giving. Mrite cha dehe अविकलस्यैव च रूपादि दर्शना भावात्. if Deha is Mrita, but Avikala, means eyes are there, all the limbs are okay, but life is not there. Can he see any Rupa? No, Rupadi Darshana Abhavat. So that Rupa Darshana Samarthya is not there. That is very clear. Na tasya drashtuta iti shesha. And it doesn't have drashtuta, means it is not drashta. Tadeva upapadayati, that same he explains further. Dehasyaiva drashtutve mrite api darshanadi kriya syat. If Deha was drashta, then even when it dies, Deha is there. So it should be drashta, but it is not happening. If Deha was drashta, dead body also would be able to do darshanadi kriya. Deha vyatiriktam atmanam upapaditam upasamharati. Deha vyatirikta atma, what he has explained, is doing upasamhara. तस्माद् यदपाये देहे दर्शनम न भवति यद भावे च भवति तद दर्शनादि क्रिया कर्तृ न देह इति अवगम्यते. तस्माद् therefore यदपाये देहे दर्शनम न भवति, when something is removed and in that deha darshanam is not possible. Yadapaye dehe darshanam na bhavati. Yad bhave, when that thing is there and dehe darshan bhavati, that is darshana kriya kartru. Tad darshanadi kriya kartru. Na deha. Deha is not darshanadi kriya karta. Iti avagamyate. So Anvaya Vyatireka is given. When whose presence is there, darshanadi kriyas are possible. When who is absent, darshanadi kriyas are absent. That is the darshanadi kriya karta. So that will be Chidabhas or Antakarana Vishishta Chaitanya. Not there. Chaitanyam yat tador arthaha. Yat tador arthaha. What does that mean? What is yat tador artha? Can you hear me or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
What is yat tador artha? This is such a simple thing. In Vakya, Tasmat yad apaye, that yad, deha darshanam na bhavati. Yad bhave cha bhavati, that yad. Tad darshanadi kriya karta. That tad. When whose presence is there, then that darshanadi kriya is possible. The meaning of yat and tad. Yat tadoho, so of the yat and of the tad. Yataha tadaha. Yat tado, tayoho. Yat tadoho. So that Chaitanya, when whose presence is there in the body, then darshana is possible. That Chaitanya, when it is absent, then darshana is not possible. Ma bhut dehasya atmatvam indriyanam tu syat iti shankate. Ma bhut dehasya atmatvam. Okay, let deha not be atma. Indriya can be atma. Indriyanam tu syat. Indriya atmatva is possible. Purvapakshi will say. Chakshu, shu, ukar is missing. चक्षुरादीनि एव दर्शनादि क्रिया कर्तृणी इति चेत कर्तृणी इज ह्रस्व और दीर्घ
दीर्घ
एक वचन और बहुवचन और द्विवचन
बहुवचन
और भी एक वचन
कर्तृ
then द्विवचन
कर्तृणि कर्तॄणि
कर्तृ कर्तृणी कर्तृणी इति चेत because चक्षुरादि are नपुंसकलिंग so कर्तृणी इति चेत न those who are studying Vyakarana, then they should know all these things. And those who are not studying Vyakarana, then they should make an attempt to know these. Iti chetna. Tika. अन्य द्रष्टस्य इतरेण अप्रत्यभिज्ञानात् इति न्यायेन परिहरति. If somebody else has seen and somebody else will have pratyabhijna is not possible. You have to remember in Vyakarana class, when you are able to recite some sutra, repeat something, is different. You have to see the application of it. Where in Shastra, what is the Shabda? Now, Shabda part, most of you have already completed in your Laghu. So, those things I should know. Otherwise, that Vyakarana Vidya will remain in Vyakarana class and in Vedanta, I will not have any help from it. Anya drashtasya itarena apratyabhijnana. If somebody else has seen, somebody else cannot have pratyabhijnana. If Ram has seen something, Shyama will not have pratyabhijnana. Iti nyayena pariharati na. Yad aham adraksham tasprasham iti भिन्न कर्तृकत्वे प्रतिसंधान अनुपपत्ते. The one who saw the one eye who saw aham adraksham, that same I am doing sparsha, tasprashami iti भिन्न कर्तृकत्वे. If the kartas are bhinna, Siddhanta is doing khandanam of indriyatmavada. Like how in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sar Sangraha, this is happening similar here. Because the eyes are different, skin is different, they are different indriya. So the one who saw is not touching. The one who is touching is the one who didn't see. Bhinna kartukatve. So then pratisandhanam means pratyabhijna is not possible. Anupapatte. Atma pratipatti hetunam manasi sambhavad iti nyayena shankate. Atma pratipatti hetu. They all are possible in mind. Manasi sambhavad. 9 number tippani. Nine number tippani says, न सी नात्म प्रतिपत्ति हेतुनाम मनसि संभवात् इति न्याय दर्शने सूत्रम नय वर्जम पठति आत्मा. आचार्य टीकाकार is quoting it without the नय. न देहादि व्यतिरिक्त आत्मा कुतः आत्मा, न देहादि व्यतिरिक्त आत्मा कुतः, देहादि व्यतिरिक्त आत्मा कुतः न, विषय आत्मा इति। So Atma Pratipatti Hetu now Manasi Sambha. Now Purvapakshi said Indriyas are Atma. Siddhanti said no, one Indriya will see, another Indriya will not know. So this is that Pratipatti, Pratisandhanam is not there between two Indriyas. He says okay, but in mind it is possible because there is same mind in each Kriya. Therefore, mind is Atma. Mana Atmavada. तो आत्म प्रतिपत्ति हेतु ना मनसी संभवाद इति न्यायन शंकते मन स्तरहि इति चेत, okay, let it be mind, then mind is आत्मा न। ठीक है, ज्ञातुर ज्ञान साधनोपपत्ते है संज्ञा भेद मात्रम इति न्यायन परिहरति। एक ज्ञाता requires एक ज्ञान साधन to gain ज्ञान। The jnana sadhanam is what we call karana. According to Vedanta, the jnata is different, Chidabhasa, Chaitanya, and Antakaranam is the jnana sadhanam, the Antakarana vritti. According to Purvapaksha, it is Sanya Bheda Matram. He thinks Atma and mind are two different names. This Charvak. Mind alone is called Atma. According to Siddhanti, it is a sadhana, but not according to them. So, manastarhi iti chet, Siddhanti says no, na. Manasopi vishayatvat rupadi vat drashtutvadi anupapatti. Mind is also a vishaya, it is another vishaya. Rupadivat drashtutvadi anupapatti. It is also like how Rupa has Drishyatva, mind also has Drishyatva. Because mind has Drishyatva, therefore mind cannot be Drashta. So Drashtutvadi Anupapattihi Manasi. Dehader Anatmatve Phalidamaha. So Dehadi are Anatma. Deha, Indriya, Mana, all are repeated. Tasmad Antastham Vyatiriktam Adityadivat iti Sikha. Tasmad Swayam Jyotihi Antastham, it is within, not outside. One. Vyatiriktam. Vyatiriktam means
Dehadi Vyatiriktam.
Dehadi Sanghata Vyatiriktam. So Antastham, Sanghata Vyatiriktam, Swayam Jyoti, Adityadivat. Like Aditya. Iti Siddham. Tika Atma Jyotihi Sanghatat. Atma Jyotihi Sanghatat Vyatiriktam. Iti Shesha. Paroktam Anuvadati. Paraihi Uktam Paroktam. What was said earlier by Purvapakshi is Siddhanti is quoting it to reject it. Yad Uktam Kaya Samana Jatiyam Eva Jyotirantaram Anumeyam. Adityadibhis tat Samana Jatiyaireva Upakriyamanatvad iti. Tadasat. Yaduktam, what you said, Siddhanti is telling Purvapakshi, Karya Karana Sanghata Samana Jatiyam Eva Jyotir Anumeya. You are saying that the Jyoti has to be Samana Jatiya. Whatever is the Jati of Karya Karana Sanghata, Samana Jatiya should be Jyoti. Then there is Upakarya Upakaraka Bhava possible. आदित्य टीका अनुग्राह्य सजातीयम अनुग्राहकम अनुग्राह्य सजातीयम अनुग्राहकम अनुग्राहक means the one who is doing anugraha. Here the one who is receiving anugraha. So they have to have samana jatiya tvam iti atra hetumah आदित्यादिभिस् तत्समान जातीयैर एव उपक्रियमाणत्वाद इति आदित्यादिभिः सन एक्सेट्रा तत्समान जातीयैर एव उपक्रियमाण. पूर्व पक्षी says in आदित्य एक्सेट्रा समान जातीय वस्तु is doing उपकार. So उपकारक उपकार्य उपकारक भाव is in समान जातीय. ठीक है. उपकार्य उपकारकत्व साजात्य नियमम दूषयति. So according to Purva Pakshi, this is the niyama. Upakarya upakarakattva will have sajatya. Siddhanta is doing khandanam of that. Tad asar. Upakarya upakaraka bhavasya aniyama darshana. There is no niyama that upakarya and upakaraka have to be samana jati. So the one who is doing favor and the one who is receiving favor, they don't have to have samana jati. Aniyama darshanam akanksha purvakam udaharati. If niyama is not there, then you show the niyama. Akanksha is there. Akanksha purvam udaharati. कथम पार्थिवैरिंधनैः पार्थिवत्व समान जातीयै तृणोलपादिभिः अग्नेः प्रज्वलन उपकारः क्रियमाणो दृश्यते. कथम कथम हाउ. पूर्वपक्षी से पार्थिवैः पूर्वपक्षी is giving this answer. पार्थिवैः इंधनैः पार्थिववत् समान जातीयैः तृणोलपादिभिः. तृण उलप टीका उलपम बाल तृणम सॉफ्ट ग्रास टेंडर. तो that is पृथ्वी कार्य and indhana it is fuel also. So such parthiva fuel will do upakara of samana jatiya parthiva agni. Parthivair indhanaihi parthivatva samana jatiyaihi. Parthiva means product of prithvi. Samana jatiyaihi trunolapadivihi. They are also parthiva. Agnehe prajwalana upakara kriyamana drishyate. Agni will have upakara of those palatrana. So this is seen. पार्थिवस्य एव अग्निम प्रति उपकारत्व नियमम वारयति. Siddhanta says your example is good, but it is limited. That पार्थिवस्य एव अग्निम प्रति उपकारकत्वम is not true. Other than the prithvi karya, some other vastu also can do upakara of Agni. न च तावता तत् समान जातीयैरेव अग्नेः प्रज्वलन उपकारः सर्वत्र अनुमेयः स्यात्. तावता तावता means by that much alone. Just because of this much understanding that tender grass will increase the fire fuel, it is like a fuel and they are samana jatiya, therefore you cannot have vyapti. Sarvatra na anumeyah sya. that saman jatiyairev agnehe prajwalan upakara. टीका तावता पार्थिवेन अग्नेरुपक्रियमाणत्व दर्शनेन इति यावत्. पार्थिवेन अन्वय you have to do with what?
उपकारक
उपकारक. So parthiva is what here? Upakaraka, upakriyamana, what is given further? Agni is upakriyamana. Parthiva is what?
समान जात
इंधनेन इंधनेन.
I cannot hear clearly. Say it louder.
इंधनेन.
ईंधन. हाँ. पार्थिवेन ईंधनेन और बालतृणेन. What is in Tritiya is the fuel. Agnehe is Panchami. Shashti. Agnehe is Shashti. Trunena Agnehe Upakriyamanatva. So Parthivena Agnehe, Parthiva and Agni, they are not Samanadhikaran. Parthivena Trunena Agnehe Upakriyamanatva darshan. So Agni will become Upakriyamana. Agni is the one who gets the favor. Parthiva Truna will be Upakaraka, you can say Upakartri, Upakarta, whatever word appeals to you. Truna is Upakaraka, Agni is Upakriyamana or Upakarya. Tat samana jatiyairiti tat shabdah parthivatva vishaya. Tat samana jatiyairiti. By that samana jatiya, tat shabdah parthivatva vishaya. So, parthivatva samana jatiyairiti, such niyama is not there. How? He gives example. Tatra hetumaha. Yena udakena प्रज्वलन उपकारो भिन्न जातीयेन वैद्युतस्य अग्नेर जाठरस्य च क्रियमाण दृश्यते. येन उदकेन अपि. येन you should understand as yasmat. Yasmat karanat, because of which reason, udakena अपि प्रज्वलन उपकारो भिन्न जातीयेन क्रियमाण दृश्यते. Water can produce fire, Siddhanti say, which is not samana jatiya. It is not parthiva. Like parthiva drashtanta you were giving. So it is not like that. How? The lightning that is produced is vidyut. Means it is Agni. But it comes from water. So that is udaka. Udakena api prajwalana upakaro bhinna jatiyena kriyamana drishyate. They have bhinna jati. In the same way, agnehe jatharasya cha. Jathara agni, the fire in the stomach. What kindles the fire in the stomach, you know? There has to be some water, according to Chandogya 6th chapter. Udanya, that jalam you put, that jala will take away whatever was there. whatever you have eaten, it will push forward. That is the role of that water that we consume. So that's why after food, after some time, you have to drink enough water to push those things out. Then Jatragni will be active. Food will be digested. Otherwise, food will accumulate in your body, and you will feel all this body is gaining so much weight, etc. It is because of that. So Vidyut Agni, Jathara Agni, Udaka is doing Upakara on Agni, which is Bhinna Jatiya. So Kriyamano Upakaro Drishyate. Darshana Phalam Nigamayati. What is the result of all this analysis? Tasmad Upakarya Upakaraka Bhave Samana Jatiya Asamana Jatiya Niyamo Nasti. Therefore, between Upakarya and Upakaraka, that they have to be Samana Jatiya or that they have to be Vishama Jatiya. There is no such rule. It just happens. Upakarya Upakaraka Bhave Sajatya Niyamavat Apakarya Apakaraka Bhave api Vaijatya Niyamo Nasti. Just as between Upakarya Upakaraka Sajatya Niyama is not there. In the same way, between Apakarya and Apakaraka, also Vaijatya Niyama is not there. That they have to be of different jati is not true. Anytime it can happen. Bhashya. Kadachit टीका तत्र उपकार्य उपकारक भावे उपकारकत्वे साजातीय नियम अभावम् उदाहरणांतरेण दर्शयति. उपकार्य उपकारकत्वे in upakarya and upakaraka sajatya niyama abhavam. Sajatya niyama is not there. Udaharanantarena darshayati. We show another udaharana. Kadachit samana jatiya manushya eva upakriyante. Samana jatiya manushya, one manushya can help another person. It is possible. Kadachit sthavara pashvadibhishya bhinna jatiyehi. Sometimes animals or trees can help manushya. So they don't have sajatiyatva. Ambasa agnina va agner upashanti upalambhat. Upakarya apakarakatve अपकार्य अपकारकत्वे वैजातीय नियमों की नास्ति इति मत्वा उपसम. अंभसा अग्निना वा अग्नेः उपशांति. So water can reduce the agni and eliminate agni. This is known. So between them there is apakarya apakarakatva is there, and they are not samana jatiya. Or one fire eliminating another fire. What is the example? Divyagner bhaumagnina. The lightning, if it strikes somewhere, it can produce fire on the earth. If a lightning, so it is different kind of fire or different kind of in fuel producing different kind of fire. So they are vijatiya. Or here, if you say that they are trying to show only apakarya apakaraka bhava, then you will have to extend this way, that the lightning will remove some fire on the earth. But actually that is not the case. When lightning strikes somewhere, that thing catches fire. If lightning strikes a tree or a home, that home will get fire. The whole thing will get burned. So there is no Vaijatiya niyama. Apakarya, apakaraka, they can be sajatiya or vijatiya. Iti matva upasamarati tasmat. अहेतु कार्यकरण संघात समान जातीयैरेव आदित्यादि ज्योतिर्भिरुपक्रियमाणत्वादिति. Therefore, it is not a hetu. Ahetu कार्यकरण संघात समान जातीयैरेव आदित्यादि ज्योतिर्भिः उपक्रियमाणत्वादिति. कार्यकरण संघात is blessed only by saman jatiya adityadi jyoti is ahetu, is not a proper thinking. इति अनुग्राहकम अनुग्राह्य सजातीयम अनुग्राहकत्वात् आदित्यवत् इति अपास्तम. Oh, in टीका two sentences are. उक्ता नियम दर्शनम तत्शब्दार्थः तस्मात् उक्त अनियम that समान जातीयत्व और उपकार्य उपकारकत्वम और अपकार्य अपकारकत्वम that नियम is not there. अहेतुरात्म ज्योतिषः संघातेन समान जातीयतायाम इति शेष. अहेतुः आत्म ज्योतिषः संघातेन. It is not a hetu. आत्म ज्योतिषः संघातेन, it is संघात समान जातीयतायाम. That Atma Jyoti has to have Samana Jati with Sanghata is a hetu. This is concluded. Next topic he takes up there. Anugrahakam anugrahya sajatiyam anugrahakatvat adityavat iti apastam. Therefore, the anugrahaka and anugrahya, the one who does favor and the one who receives favor, they have to have samana jati, is apastam, is eliminated. संप्रति अतीन्द्रियत्व हेतौ हो अनैकान्त्यम परोक्तम अनुभाष्य दूषयति. इदानीं संप्रति मीन्स इदानीं अतीन्द्रियत्व हेतु. इंद्रियाणि, they are अतीन्द्रियाणि. They are beyond perception of senses. And therefore, anaikantyam paroktam anubhashya. Purvapakshi had said there is vyabhichara in that anaikantikatvam. Anaikantyam means vyabhichara. Iti dushayati. Yat punaratha. Atha, what kind of rupa is that?
अधभक्षणे
आत्ताहतुः आहुः एकवचनम्.
What rupa you said?
एकवचनं sir.
No, what rupas did you say?
आत्थ आहतुः आहुः.
No. Aha, ahatuhu, ahuhu. Then Madhyam Purusha is Pratham Purusha is aha, ahatuhu, ahuhu. Madhyam Purusha is Atha,
ahatuhu
ahatu. Bas, only 5. In Lat Lakara of Bru Dhatu. Only 5 are there. Aha, ahatuhu, ahuhu, atha, ahatuhu. So atha is Madhyam Purusha Ekvachan. Then Brutha. Bravimi Bruvaha Bruvaha. What you said, Siddhanta is telling Purvapakshi. Chakshuradi adityadi jyotirvat drishyatvat. Chakshuradi adityadi jyotirvat drishyatvat. Iti is hetu. Ayam hetuhu jyotihi अंतरस्य अंतस्थत्वं वैलक्षण्यं च न साधयति. दिस ज्योति अंतरस्य अंतस्थत्वं one. This jyoti is inside and it is different from sanghata. That siddhi is not happening by this hetu. Why chakshuradibihi anaikantikatvat? The chakshuradi, they are of different jati. So there is anaikantikatvam. Anumanam is there. Anumanam we will see in the following session. Vimatam jyotihi sanghata dharmas tad bhava bhavitatvat rupadivat iti uktam anudya anirakati. This anumanam we have already seen. Jyotihi sanghata dharmas tad bhava bhavitatvat. Jyoti means Atma. Sanghata dharma तद्भाव भावित्वात् रूपादिवत्. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.